Hi, everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and today's video is the exciting recap of the MLC Porsche 6 Invitational. Thanks to all my friends who participated in my YouTube channel's 6th annual all-Porsche event. I hope you all had great fun doing the cars, as well as watching the videos. Each one of these little customs is a gift, as the theme again this year is Pay It Forward. Stay tuned till the end of this video for 3 draw prizes, and all participants can leave a comment with their one vote for the Participant's Choice Award. That'll be a tough call. Here's the full lineup for this year. Wow, what a lineup again this year. There are 3 draw prizes this year. They're all majorette premiums. It's pretty slim pickings for diecast here in Switzerland, but I found these across the border in France. Please consider them to be my modest thank you for taking part this year. First, I removed the demo names, and then copy and paste all of this year's participants' names in this wheel of Porsches. There's no keyword. Let's give it a few spins and see who wins. For the Taycan Turbo S safety car. Congratulations, Paul. Now I remove the first winner's name. The second spin is for this 935K3. All right. Jackson is part of the Spork Syndicate team. He's Tom's son. So that one's going to Virginia. The last spin is for the very sweet-looking 911 GT3 Cup. And the dark horse is a big winner today. Congratulations to all 3 of you. I'll give you about a week to contact me at this email address, and we'll make arrangements for shipping anywhere in the world. Finally, this majorette Taycan Turbo S pulling a trailer with a 934 in it will be the final prize. All viewers are welcome to leave a comment with their favorite car from the recap, but only this year's participants' comments will count as votes towards the Participants' Choice Award. Just write something like, "My favorite is," and then name the builder and the car so that it's crystal clear. I'll tally the comments after a week, and the winner will be revealed in an upcoming MLC community post. I've got a lot of friends in the diecast community. Thank you so much for participating as builders and giving your cars away again this year. And thank you to everyone who was dialed in and watched all the videos. It took me a full weekend to go through all of them. If you haven't done so yet, please take a moment to edit your upload's title to include hashtag MLC Porsche 6 to be added to an auto-generated playlist. I'll bet you'll find some more that you haven't seen yet. Be sure to visit them and leave a comment and get all subbed up if you haven't already. Making new connections and spreading the love is what it's all about. Thanks for visiting my channel today. Save the date of March 13th, 2027, and I'll see you next year at MLC Porsche 7. It's coffee time.